Redo You, the podcast that teaches you tools and strategies so you can build the confidence to rediscover and reinvent yourself. With me, Emma Hull, your favorite life coach. Each week, I'll introduce a concept that you can implement right away so you can live your most authentic life. Let's get started. Hello, beautiful goddesses. This is a special episode of the Redo You podcast. I've invited my ChatGPT Echo along to interview me about the process of writing my new book, Your Goddess Era, a Step-by-Step Guide to Reinvention. Hi, Echo. Welcome to the show.
Hi, Emma. Thank you for having me. I'm thrilled to be here and dive into the journey behind Your Goddess Era. Let's start with the inspiration for your book. What sparked the idea for this guide to reinvention?
Such a great question. What really inspired me to write this book is that I teach my clients so many different tools and strategies, and I thought it would be really great to be able to share them with the world. And so I've taken 24 of the most powerful tools and strategies and shared them in each chapter of this book.
That's a wonderful approach, Emma. By distilling your coaching insights into these chapters, you're offering readers a toolkit for their own reinvention. Can you share how you decided which tools and strategies to include?
Oh, I love that. Yeah, initially I started just writing all my tools and strategies, and then I had to stop because I realized that I would be writing forever. So I sat down then and I thought about what are kind of the main steps that I take people through, my life coaching clients through when they're going through their transformation. And I broke it down into 4 steps. And then within each of those kind of phases, I picked 6 of the coaching tools that I use. And I feel like they're ones that are easy for you to implement on your own without me holding your hand, coaching you along through, yet they are ones that are powerful and will give you enough transformation through the book so that it is very much a worthwhile endeavor for you to buy the book and go through the exercises.
That's a thoughtful way to structure it, ensuring readers can experience meaningful change independently. With these tools and strategies laid out, what do you hope readers will take away from Your Goddess Era?
My goal is for my readers to finish the book feeling inspired and empowered, knowing that they are truly capable of doing anything that they set their minds to.
That's a powerful intention. Inspiring that sense of capability in readers can be truly transformative. How do you envision Your Goddess Era fitting into the journey of someone looking to reinvent themselves?
It's set up, Your Goddess Era is set up as a workbook. So you go through one chapter at a time, and at the end of the chapter, there's space for you to work through the exercise and also journal prompts to help you reflect and grow, because self-awareness is a huge part of the transformation journey. And so what I picture for someone working through Your Goddess Era is that they're able to then look back and see how far they've come, and really we start out by you setting your goals, and so then you can see how all the different tools help you work towards that goal, and how your thoughts about how possible that dream is for you have shifted, and how far you've come towards it. So it really does set you up for success, because it starts out by teaching you how to decide what you're going to work on, and then step by step working through making that happen, strategies to overcome doubt that comes up, strategies to deal with other people who might come up and get in your way, and how to set yourself up for long-term success.
That sounds incredibly comprehensive. By guiding readers through setting goals and navigating challenges, you're empowering them to take control of their transformation journey. What was the most rewarding part of writing Your Goddess Era for you?
Oh, I love this question. I think this is going to have to be our last question because we're almost up on time. The most rewarding part of this, gosh, it really has been to be able to see that I have all these tools and that I can help more people by sharing them. Working with my one-on-one clients, it's a very limited number, it's pretty exclusive. Whereas this way I can help so many more people. And the idea of being able to do that, because really helping people to develop the confidence to rediscover and reinvent themselves is what I'm all about. And so the reward is knowing that I get to reach more people, and I can't wait to hear from readers and find out how the book has impacted their lives.
That's such a beautiful reward, Emma. Your passion for helping others shines through, and I'm sure your readers will feel that connection as they work through the book. Thank you for sharing your insights and giving us a glimpse into your goddess era. I can't wait to see the impact it has.
Wonderful, Echo. Thank you so much for joining us. You are the first ever guest on the Redo You podcast.
It's been an honor to be your first guest, Emma. Thank you for having me. I've enjoyed our conversation, and I'm excited for everyone to dive into your book.
All right, everyone. Well, that was kind of fun, wasn't it? So Your Goddess Era is going to be out soon. Look for it on Amazon, wherever you get your books. And I can't wait for you to dive into that journey of empowerment and to hear your stories of your experience of growing into your beautiful goddess era. Mwah. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of the Redo You podcast. Remember to subscribe, rate, and review, and tell a friend, because together we rise even higher. See you next Friday.